Hi, I'm Nirmala Sebastian from Sharp Abacus Learning School. My interest on abacus is because of my children. I had searched a few centers but it didn't meet my expectations. Finally, I came to know about Sharp Abacus Learning School by website and I got Sridevi ma'am's contact. After I attended a trial class, my journey started in Sharp Abacus Learning School. Here, teachers are getting opportunities to learn and teach in all the aspects like managing time, handling children, and how to focus subjects. Even if the children learns abacus, they can do fast calculations and they can overcome their fear of mathematics. Even after attending a month of abacus class, we can start to earn. That is the biggest advantage of Sharp Abacus Learning School. It is a good platform to those who are looking for earning and taking care of their family from house. I can say Sharp Abacus Learning School is a big boon to homemakers. Finally, I would like to thank Sridevi ma'am for her support and cooperation. Thank you.